In the vast expanse of the universe, where mysteries abound and questions beckon, one man's relentless pursuit of knowledge has illuminated the path to unraveling the fundamental laws that govern our existence. Meet Sunil Mukhi, a name synonymous with groundbreaking advancements in theoretical physics, stands as one of India's most notable scientists. His expertise spans across various complex domains such as string theory, quantum field theory, and particle physics. Born with a voracious appetite for understanding the universe's fundamental laws, Mukhi's journey into the heart of physics is both inspiring and formidable. Raised in an environment that fostered intellectual curiosity, Mukhi's academic prowess became evident early on. He pursued his PhD in theoretical physics from Stony Brook University, USA, specializing in quantum field theory and supersymmetry, IISER Pune. This foundational period set the stage for his future contributions to global scientific thought. Mukhi's work is characterized by a deep engagement with the theoretical and mathematical aspects of quantum field theory and gravitation. He made significant strides at prestigious institutions like the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research in Mumbai and the Institute for Advanced Study. His research often intersects with the broader questions that physics seeks to answer, making his work not just relevant, but indispensable to the scientific community. One of Mukhi's notable contributions revolves around string theory, a domain that attempts to reconcile general relativity with quantum mechanics. String theory proposes that the point particles of particle physics can also be represented as one-dimensional strings. This radical idea aims to provide a unified description of gravity and particle physics. Mukhi has been instrumental in developing models and frameworks that explore these strings' behaviors in various dimensions and energies. Interestingly, Mukhi's scientific narrative is not isolated, but connected to the historical lineage of other great physicists. For instance, he often references the foundational work of James Clerk Maxwell, a 19th-century physicist who formulated the classical theory of electromagnetic radiation. Maxwell's equations, which describe how electric and magnetic fields propagate and interact, laid the groundwork for much of modern physics, including the field that Mukhi himself has expanded upon. The interplay between Maxwell's classical theories and Mukhi's quantum inquiries illustrates a fascinating scientific continuum. Throughout his career, Mukhi has been an advocate for pure scientific research, stressing its importance for technological and societal progress. In an op-ed for The Hindu, he emphasized the necessity for India to ramp up support for pure science to foster future inventions and transformative technologies. Mukhi's prominence in the scientific community is not just limited to his research. He is also known for his compelling lectures that simplify complex theories for students and enthusiasts alike, contributing to a wider understanding and appreciation of physics. His ability to break down intricate ideas into comprehensible concepts is evident in his numerous talks and courses available online. Sunil Mukhi's life and work offer a rich tapestry that blends theoretical acumen with pedagogical excellence. His journey from a curious student to a leading physicist is a testament to the power of curiosity, dedication, and intellectual rigor. As he continues to explore the mysteries of the universe, Mukhi remains a pivotal figure in the ongoing quest to understand the fundamental laws that govern our existence. His contributions have illuminated the path for future explorers, igniting a flame of curiosity that shall burn ever brighter. A life dedicated to unraveling the universe's mysteries, an enduring legacy that transcends boundaries.